BBC. The coverage outlines specific details regarding this global tech divide. The robotics consensus, China's dominance. Experts tracking the industry agree that Chinese companies are positioned to dominate the physical hardware market. The scale. China currently has an estimated 2 million working robots, more than the rest of the world combined. The supply chain. Because China is a manufacturing-heavy economy, its tech firms can build, test, and iterate physical robot parts like those made by Unitary Robotics much faster and at a fraction of Western costs. Funding and talent. Nearly 60% of all global investment funding for humanoid robots is being raised in Asia. Additionally, China graduates more STEM students annually than any other nation to feed this workforce. The AI brain exception. While China excels at building the physical bodies of robots, the BBC report clarifies that the absolute consensus does not apply to the internal software. US advantage. For a robot to operate independently in complex settings, it requires agentic AI. The United States remains firmly in the lead regarding advanced microchips and high-level software brains. Value distribution analysts point out that roughly 80% of a robot's actual value is tied directly to its AI software brain rather than its metal body. Synthetic life forms versus advanced humanoids. The phrase synthetic life forms in tech consensus usually refers to two separate things: humanoid replicas. If referring to lifelike androids, the BBC highlighted the opening of massive consumer storefronts like the Robot Mall in Beijing, which commercializes highly realistic human-looking mechanical butlers and replicas. Biological synthetic life. If referring to actual synthetic biology, genetically engineered artificial organisms, the international consensus is heavily governed by strict global safety panels. No single country is recognized as having an absolute monopoly, as the technology is tightly monitored due to bioweapon and ethics risks.